Hello student. Today we are going to start new chapter from geography. Chapter number 7, nature, vegetation and wildlife. We have already discussed in the previous chapter that the land, water and air and all these elements interact to each other and form biosphere. And these biosphere, all the living organisms survive. Without these elements could not survive, and these elements, due to these elements, all the plants and animal adapt to their nature to survive. And what is the elements? That the atmospheric element. Here we have to study that the atmospheric elements. Atmospheric elements, that the rainfall, temperature, sunlight, moisture, elevation, slope, thickness of soil, and the interaction of all these elements with land, air and water result into the growth, development and evolution of the organism. In this way, we can say that the process by which different kinds of living organisms have developed over the years is known as evolution. Here is some different types of natural vegetation. What is the natural vegetation? That the natural growth of plant without any human interference, and they grow naturally. This is called that the natural vegetation. And the different types of natural vegetation. First of all, we can divide that the three types: forest, grassland and shrubs. We have to studies in this chapter that the different types of natural vegetation and different types of wild animal. Different types of forest. First one, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest and the coniferous forest. And the next one is that the grassland. Different types of grassland. Two types, mainly two types, are the temperate grassland and tropical grassland. And sub deserted vegetation and tundra. First of all, we know that the forest. What is the forest? Forest refers to an extensive, large area of land covered with trees, and they grow mostly in the heavy rain, areas of heavy rain. This is called that the forest. And tropical evergreen forest. First forest is that the tropical evergreen forest, and this is also called the tropical rainforest. And tropical evergreen forest is also called the lungs of the earth. And these forest also called in Brazil selvas. And the next one is the tropical deciduous forest, and these forests are affected by the seasonal contrast of moisture and sun heat. These forests are also called the monsoon forest. Next one is the temperate evergreen forest. These forests have both hardwood and softwood trees. These forests are thick, very dense. Next one is temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest shed their leaves on winter. These trees of forest that the thick trunks and broad leaves. Next one is the Mediterranean vegetation. These forests are well grown in the region of dry summer and wet winter. They have broad leaves. Next one is coniferous forest. Forest is also called taiga. It is a Russian word which means pure and untouched. These trees have small and needle-like leaves. And in next class, we will discuss about the grassland. Okay, thank you.